What's up geeks and welcome back to Geekified. This is me Sameer, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can use internet safely. And yes, you guessed it right, I'm gonna talk about some amazing VPN services which will help you to safeguard yourself from people like hackers, crackers or even malware attacks. So make sure you watch the video till the end because you might find one app for yourself. So before starting the list, I have a disclaimer that I have tried to incorporate some free app as well, but not all the apps are free because VPN services requires money, data, hence they might be based on subscription models, but I tried my best to include some amazing free VPN apps as well. Okay, so let's start with the first app, and of course it is a free app for all you guys, and the name of the app is Urban VPN. Urban VPN provides seamless browsing experience with undetected IP addresses. It's like a secret tunnel you use to browse internet. Plus, their strict no logging policy ensures your online activities remain private, whether you are streaming, torrenting or even browsing. Urban VPN has servers across the globe and ensure fast and reliable connections. As I said, your activities will stay private and no one will ever know what you were streaming or torrenting. It can also help to unlock geo-restricted content on apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime and whatnot else. So there is a reason why this app is on the number 1 of the list, and that is because it is free, fast, secure and reliable. Make sure you check it out because it is one of my favorite VPN services available today. Now let's talk about another app which I used thoroughly for 6 to 7 years, and the name of the app is 1.1.1.1. Don't judge the app by its name because the app is just freaking fast. It connects to the server very quickly, has optimum server speeds to stream on it or even play games or watch geo-restricted content in your country. It is powered by Cloudflare, hence assuring some amazing VPN speeds. So all in all, this app prioritizes performance, speed and reliability, and I assure you if you download this app you cannot go wrong with it. So my next suggestion for the VPN app list would be NordVPN. I know you must have seen those ads or promotions on many YouTube channels, but this app is wonderful. Only caveat is that it is subscription based, but there is a free tier model, but it can only last you up to 30 days. So make sure you have enough time to try this app out, and if it suits you then you can continue with it with subscription model. With a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, you can explore its robust security features, reliable server and unblocking capabilities. It has extensive global server coverage for seamless streaming and browsing. It has security features like double VPN, cybersec and strict no log policy. So all in all, this is one secure VPN app. You must try it out for 30 days because it is free and it offers some robust security features as well. Now let's talk about one app which is ultimate VPN app, and that is Proton VPN. It offers unlimited data, amazing speed and of course very well implemented security features. Whether you are a privacy conscious user or a content enthusiast, Proton VPN ensures your online activities remain confidential. Plus it is Swiss based, so you know why Swiss is popular, Swiss bank account. My next suggestion would be TunnelBear VPN, and for those people who are into VPN for a past few years, you must have heard this name because it has been running since ages. It offers free servers in 40 plus countries and has data cap for casual users. So if you're pro users, you might need to go for the subscription in this particular app. You can stream your favorite shows, browse securely and let the bear guide you through the digital wilderness. So all in all, this app provides free servers in more than 40 countries, has a data cap, but it is reliable because it has been running since ages. Now let me suggest you one more premium app, and that is of course ExpressVPN. It doesn't come with any free tier but has 30-day free trial policy, so you can use it if you want to try some amazing robust security features built into this particular app. It provides lightning fast connections, extensive server locations, and top-notch security make it a favorite among tech enthusiasts. So if you're serious about your privacy, then my friend, ExpressVPN is a VIP pass to the internet. So we are already talking about premium VPN apps, then how can I forget SurfShark VPN? This is another VPN app which you can see getting promoted in each and every YouTuber possible. But is it really worth it? Well, my friend, yes it is. Though it is not a free app, but it does come with 30-day money back policy. So if you want to try some features out of SurfShark VPN, you can do it. It is affordable and reliable and also offers simultaneous connections to all your devices. Multi-hop servers add an extra layer of security, and the built-in ad blocker keeps annoying pop-ups at bay. So if you're a very firm believer of security and privacy on the internet, then you cannot go wrong with SurfShark VPN because it is the best VPN app available, which provides utmost security if you are gonna browse internet. Last but not the least, it is Atlas VPN. It is a freemium based service which also offers a free tier and a premium tier. Of course, you have different types of features catering to these both tiers. It's fast enough for streaming, suitable for any task, and lets you connect all your devices at once. Plus, it throws an ad blocker for good measure. So all in all, Atlas VPN is your map to a safer online journey. Always remember, choosing the right VPN service depends on your specific needs. Hence, you could be a privacy advocate or a content enthusiast or someone like me who loves beer-themed VPN service. So there is an option for each and every one of us. So these are the best VPN apps available in the market today. Which one you like the most? Do let me know in the comments section. And if you like the video as well, make sure subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any such amazing listicles video like this. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye, and safe browsing.